It's a Friday night, and Charles and his partner, Nicole, had just gotten the call. Yeah, Hercules has struck again. Another jewelry store. And like a lot of other patrol cars, they're out looking for him. And they think they got him. They see this skateboard up ahead of them, and they turn the lights on, and sure enough, it's a torso with one arm, and he takes off running. Leaves that sidewalk, he's down the middle of the street. Charles and Nicole are after him in that squad car. And it's a high-speed chase. It's as much of a high-speed chase as it can be. With a skateboard. And they think they got him cornered because there's a train up ahead. But as they squeal to a stop, right, just a few feet from that train, Hercules just slides right underneath it. Charles and Nicole get out of the car, run up to the train, which is really starting to pick up speed now. And look on the other side, and there's Hercules. He kind of props himself up. You know how they pick those boards up a little bit. And he looks over at him, smiles. He waves. And then he's gone. Made that getaway again.